Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix cloud storage issues with Dropbox, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the specific cloud storage issue you are experiencing with Dropbox. Common issues include syncing errors, space limitations, and file accessibility problems. First, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and functioning properly. If you're using a mobile device, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to test connectivity. Next, ensure that the Dropbox application is updated to the latest version. Open your App Store and look for any available updates for Dropbox. If you are facing syncing issues, restart the Dropbox application. Close the app completely and then reopen it. For desktop users, right-click the Dropbox icon in the system tray and select Quit Dropbox. After quitting, reopen the application to see if syncing resumes. If the problem persists, check the sync settings in Dropbox. Open the Dropbox application and go to Preferences. Ensure that the folders you want to sync are selected under the Sync tab. If space limitations are causing your issue, check your available storage. Log into your Dropbox account and navigate to your account settings to view your storage usage. If you are nearing your space limit, consider upgrading your plan or deleting unnecessary files. To free up space, sort your files by size and remove large items that you no longer need. If files are not accessible, check your sharing settings. Right-click on the file in question and select Share. Ensure that the intended recipients have the appropriate. If you are still having issues, consider logging out of your Dropbox account. After logging out, clear your browser cache and cookies. Then, log back in and check if the issues are resolved. For further assistance, visit the Dropbox Help Center for troubleshooting guides. If necessary, reach out to Dropbox support for personalized help with your issue. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.